Hi, John Gillespie here. I'm helping a friend of mine out with a Dodge Dart. It's a 2013 1.4 liter multi-air turbocharged engine. And this has had the cylinder head off for a coolant problem. And subsequently putting it back together, it's got a significant drivability problem. It doesn't have any power at all. And it's got a misfire being reported on cylinder number one. And in my initial testing, to confirm engine condition, I'm doing a relative compression test and I've connected into intake manifold vacuum so I can see what that looks like. Now this is cranking with the red lead on the battery with the leads inverted, so the positive lead is actually on the ground, the negative lead is on the positive battery post, so that the variations in battery voltage give me a compression waveform. And it's pretty obvious that one of the cylinders is missing. This is setting a trouble code for the solenoid for cylinder number one stuck, which makes sense. If the intake valves aren't opening, we aren't producing any compression. However, at the point where we've got a cylinder that should be producing compression, we've got a very steady, repetitive problem in the intake manifold. So I know what my next test is going to be. I'm going to have to go in cylinder with the pressure transducer and let's see what's going on. Now I'm going to do this video in a couple pieces. This should be a little bit of fun, and let's see what kind of comments we get.